Hi friends, welcome to Easy English, where we learn the present tense naturally through a simple, everyday conversation. Let's learn the present tense today as I speak in clear, simple English.
John, we are waking up early today because our flight leaves in the morning.
Yes, we wake up early today because we are going to the airport. We use the present tense because this is happening now, not yesterday and not tomorrow.
You always think like an English teacher.
Mom, I feel tired.
You feel tired because you wake up early. When you say I feel, you are using present tense. You talk about how you feel now.
Are we going to the airport now?
Yes, we are going to the airport now. When I say we are going, I talk about something that is happening at this moment.
The family eats a simple breakfast. Sarah packs the last snacks into a small bag. John checks the tickets on his phone. Everything feels calm but busy at the same time.
I pack the bags carefully because I do not want to forget anything.
You say I pack, not I packed, because you are doing it right now. This is present tense, and we use it for actions happening now.
After breakfast, they walk outside. The air feels cool and fresh. John loads the suitcases into the car.
I carry the bags. When I say I carry, I talk about what I do now.
I check the doors because safety is important.
Soon, they sit in the car, and John starts driving. The road is quiet, and the sky slowly turns pink and orange.
You sit quietly, and that helps me relax.
Mom, why do you say you sit and not you are sitting?
Both are present tense. When I say you sit, it sounds simple and clear. When I say you are sitting, I focus more on the action happening right now. Both talk about now.
When they arrive at the airport, the place feels big and busy. People walk fast, and screens show many flight numbers. At the check-in counter, the woman smiles at them.
I give the passports to the lady. This sentence uses present tense because the action happens now.
I see many people.
You see many people right now, so you use present tense.
Leo eats a snack, and Emma looks at airplanes through the window.
I like watching planes.
You say, I like, because this feeling is true now and also in general. Present tense can talk about now and about things that are always true.
Soon an announcement comes from the speaker. It is time to board.
We walk to the gate, and we show our boarding passes. All these sentences are in present tense because the actions happen now.
I feel grateful.
You feel grateful now, so you use present tense. It is simple, clear, and true.
The family finds their seats. The trip is just beginning, and they already learn together step by step, moment by moment, using simple English and living in the present.
As we move forward together, I feel confident that present tense becomes easy when it grows naturally inside real stories like ours.
In the morning, the family is at the beach, and they feel relaxed and happy. We walk on the sand and listen to the waves, and we use present tense because we talk about what we do right now. I feel happy because learning English does not feel stressful when it flows inside a normal conversation.
Thank you for listening, and remember to learn English and practice the present tense every day by speaking in clear, simple English.